Bitcoin is sitting at 48.1k. Okay, market moved all the way from this area after this breakout and created a new close. So this very area was the previous close and resistance, and market broke it to the upside. What is going to happen right here is the market going to from here come back down before it moved to the upside. I'll also be talking about ETH, Solana, an important trade on ADA. All of these and more in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and educational content. On the one-day chart, Bitcoin, after this very breakout of important resistance, you see this market from here move to the downside to this very point, and then afterward move upward. This resistance was very important. It broke out of the resistance with this very bullish candle, market to move upward to create a new close. Right now, I am expecting that this market will still move back to the upside, so there is no room for panic. If you are in a long opportunity or a long position, market is still going to move upward in as much as the market can come back down a little bit, but that very movement is going to still happen. I am expecting that this market move into the $50,000 at this very point and the $52,000 at this very area. This is where I am expecting this market to move into, okay, regardless of any little retracement that may happen at this very point. Market is still going to move upward into this very area before we will now see significant retracement to the downside. So what I am looking at on the Bitcoin one-day chart is the market moving upward into this very area of $50,000 and $52,000, and then come back for retracement before continuation to the upside. This is what I am paying attention to right now on the Bitcoin one-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart here, the market is consolidating at this very area, and period of consolidation is a period of market gathering momentum. So the possibility of the market moving downward or upward is very likely. So from here, you have to pay attention to this very market. But one important thing about consolidation is that most time it will move in the direction of the trend, especially when the trend just started formation. So if you look at it, market was consolidated around this area, it broke out and then moved to the upside. This trend just started. It is not a very long trend, and what I'm expecting right now is for the market to move to the upside. So a breakout on this level of resistance, market is going to move to the upside once we see that breakout. Nevertheless, market also have capacity of coming back to the downside. So even though market come back to the downside, it is not a time to short the market. It is also a time to look for long opportunity or buy opportunity from this very point to the upside. So if you see a breakout to the support level or on the support level, market is going to come back down into this very point of support at this very area, and then from this very area, market is going to move to the upside. This is what I am expecting right now. So if market breakout, you look for buy opportunity. Then if market come back down into this very zone, you also look for buy opportunity for the market to move to the upside on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. And on the ETH 4-hour chart right here, you see the market is coming back down already. I am expecting that this market move back to the downside for a little correction or retracement before continuation to the upside. If you look at what the market did in the past, market move all the way upward. So this very long impulse have to retrace before continuation to the upside. So expect the market to retrace into this very area of important support and this very zone right here before the market will find support at this very area and begin to move to the upside. So pay attention to this very zone of support. So market is going to retrace before continuation of this very long impulsive move. So on ETH, look for long opportunity or look for buying the market from this very zone of important support. And on Solana, you see the market is already correcting to the downside, and this market have more capacity of moving back down to this very area of support. So expect the market to continue this retracement formation into this very zone of important support at this very point, and from here market is going to move to the upside. So for the market to correct, it does not mean you need to take a short opportunity to the downside. Market is only retracing this very impulsive move. So after retracement, market is going to move back to the upside, and this is the level you need to pay attention to right now on this very retracement that is in the market already. So what I am expecting here on Solana is for you to look for buy opportunity. Okay, look for long in the market to the upside after this very impulsive move. Retracement is necessary at this very area before continuation to the upside. So buying here is a nice thing to do, or looking for long opportunity from this very area is a nice thing to do as well on the SOL chart. ADA USDT 4-hour chart. You see the market move with a strong momentum from here to the upside, and then we see retracement and market continue to the upside again. If you look at it, there is a very important sign that market is still going to go back down before continuation to the upside. And one thing very important here is that there is a loss of buy momentum on this very chart. If you look at the way the market moved from here to the upside, and the way the market moved from this very point to the upside, this very momentum is stronger. It have health and strength from this very point to this very area of resistance compared to this very one at this very point. So if you place this side by side, you discover that this very momentum is stronger and longer compared to this very one. That means that the market is going to retrace back to the downside, and this is very important. There is one more thing you must take into consideration on the chart right here, is the fact that the market is showing us a bearish divergence. So from this very area of resistance to the upside, market created a higher high, and from this very area of resistance as well on the histogram, the same point to the downside, market is creating a lower low. So from this very area, market high from there come back down to create a low lower than what we see right at this very point. So this is a bearish divergence. Market is going to come back down, and that is why we see this very movement to the downside on this very chart. So what I am still expecting on the ADA chart is for the market to come back to the downside a little bit into this very area of resistance, and then from here market is going to move to the upside. So what you need to do right now is to pay attention to this very area of support. Very, very important. Once the market break down, then it means the market is going to move a little bit into this very area of resistance, which will now turn support at this very point for the market to move to the upside. So this very area of resistance right here is very, very important at this very point. So from here, market is going to move to the upside. So pay attention to a breakout on this very level of important support at this very area. This is very, very important on the ADA chart. So on ADA, look for long opportunity after this very movement to the downside. The market is going to move to the upside. So look for buy opportunity or taking a long position on futures from this very area upward. This is what you must have to pay attention to. On ADA, look for buy opportunity from this very area. On Solana, buy opportunity from this very area. And on ETH, buy opportunity from this very area after retracement. And BTC, look at this very area of consolidation. And finally, on the 1-day chart, I am expecting that this market to move into the $50,000 and $52,000. If you are new to this channel, please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and educational content. If you want to learn how to trade crypto, enroll for my crypto bootcamp. Check the description of this video, say contact and reach out to me immediately. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.